myself, and then one of our partners that's not on here right now is Eric. We started investing in real estate back in 2006. We both were working corporate jobs. We both didn't want to be working corporate jobs, and we found that we could make some pretty good money in real estate and investing in real estate. We left our jobs at that time and started doing single family and small multi. Pretty much did everything you could think of in the single family and small multi space, from seller financing, wholesaling, fix and flips. Did quite a bit of fix and flips. We really liked transforming the properties, and that kind of led to starting a construction arm. 2008, so 2 years after we started investing in real estate, we started a construction arm as well, which is J&T Construction. That really kind of blew up the volume. We were able to really scale having that in-house. And then fast forwarding to about 2017 is when we started changing our focus more to large apartments, 100+ unit apartments, and doing syndications. So we're bringing in investors to invest alongside us and take down these large apartments.